Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import ID codes into Berry Avenue. So let's go to Avatar here, go to Menu, and go to Equipped. Import ID, and you're going to import it from the Roblox catalog. So I'm on the Roblox catalog here. To copy and paste the code, just select this, right click, copy. Go back to Roblox and paste it, and then press add. Then you're going to, as you can see, wear that item from the Roblox catalog. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.